Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. Like always, I'm back again with another topic to share with you all. And today's topic is really exciting and informative. Today, I will be talking about how do we book hotel rooms. Do you all know how one should book hotel rooms? And for sure, the people who are watching this video are here to clarify their doubts as to how one can effectively book their hotel rooms. I'm mostly talking booking hotel rooms for a 4-star or a 5-star hotels. In this case, friends, what happens is, you have other tools available in front of you, which are booking.com, make my trip, agoda, hotelbeds.com, etc. and etc. However, once you finalize your dates and you're ready to travel with your family, friends, relatives, please be sure that you do your research and homework before you book your rooms in the hotel. Like, before you go ahead and confirm any booking, please at least see three things. First, being going and checking the rates at booking.com and make my trip and on the hotel's website. For example, you're going to Delhi and staying in a XYZ hotel, please go to that XYZ hotel's website to check their rates on that particular day of which you are traveling. Once you have three rates, compare the rates and then call the hotel directly and ask them if you could speak to the salesperson directly. Now, the person who's in the hotel and managing sales will give you a better picture of what's going on and what else he or she can do for you as a value add on. For example, on that day you need a early check-in or a late checkout or any dietary preferences or any wheelchair assistance, for that matter, anything which is required for you to communicate to the hotel directly is something can be done by the salesperson managing sales for that hotel. So if you call the hotel directly and you get to know the person name, number or email ID, get in touch with that person, explain your itinerary, your agenda behind traveling, he or she will assist you for sure on the same. This will only ensure that you get a flawless and a smooth check-in and check-out experience while you are in the hotel by yourself or with your family, friends and relatives. This puts a great impact overall of you making a perception about that hotel. Booking.com, make my trip, great tools, great tools. However, when it comes to adding on any extra preferences like early check-in, late checkout or any of that I spoke previously will not happen because it's not under their control. It directly comes under the hotel's control. So knowing to the salesperson directly will give you an edge over others. I am nowhere denying that you should not go and book via these tools. You must do that because most of the times you will find good rates out here. However, also do a equal comparison with the hotel's team as well, so that you are 100% sure that you're not paying a single penny more than what is required for that particular room on that particular date, because each penny matters to us and matters to everyone because it's a hard work. So whatever you do in terms of hotels, please be 100% sure of your rates before you finalize it. I hope my today's video was informative in terms of how one should book the hotel rooms. And once again, thank you to all my subscribers and the new viewers on my channel. Request you all to please subscribe to my channel to only ensure that I get motivated and create better content for you all. Till then, please press the bell button as well to get my notifications of my next video on the same channel. Till then, please take care, be safe, and keep smiling.